Hi, welcome to What's Up with DJ Now. Stay tuned for scrumptious shrimp tacos. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started. These are your ingredients you're going to be needing to start with. And if you could subscribe to my channel, I would really appreciate that. So we're going to add 1 tablespoon of oil to the hot pan, and then we're going to put in our tomatoes, our jalapenos, and our onion. You can use any oil of your choice, about 1 tablespoon, vegetable oil, olive oil, whatever you prefer. And we're going to give that a good stir. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Fresh limes or lime concentrate is fine. We're going to put in 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Now I know that sounds odd, but it adds to a great flavoring into this. It adds a very good richness into it, so we're just going to put in 2 tablespoons of ketchup. And trust me, it will make it awesome. Okay, so we're going to give this a good stir. Get it mixed up well. These are some really good, easy shrimp tacos. And you'll see that we're going to do a little bit of stovetop, and then we're going to put those in the oven, and they're going to turn out so awesome. It's a really, really good shrimp taco. And there's my baby, my Sammy. And he likes to always be watching me. That's my love. It's my love. Okay, and then we have our shrimp there. And we've been simmering our sauce mixture. Now we're going to put in our shrimp. This is 1 pound of large shrimp that have been cut up into little 1-inch pieces. And we're going to stir these well, and we're going to cook those on medium heat for 2 minutes. They'll start to turn slightly pink. You don't want to overcook them, so only a couple minutes is all it's going to take. And we're going to salt and pepper these now. The ingredients will also be linked in the description of the video. Also my links to my Facebook group and my social media if you're interested, where I'm located. That'll all be in the description of the video. I love these shrimp tacos. I've made them probably about 4 times since I learned an easy way to make them. They're really good. I really enjoy them. And very, very easy. There's Sammy again, just watching me. He's the supervisor. Okay, now these are almost done, as you can see. They're turned slightly pink in their color that they do. Well, pinkish cream kind of color, you know, shrimp color. And we don't want to overcook them because then they'll get all tough. We're going to turn off the heat, let them sit. We're going to go on to our next step. Okay, you're going to want to get you a cookie sheet. You're going to want to get your oil. And you're going to want to spray on some oil right directly onto your baking sheet. Again, any oil you prefer. I'm using vegetable oil. And we're just going to take a brush and make sure it's nice and even on the baking dish, baking pan. This method really it makes the tacos nice and crunchy. You don't have to worry about pan frying them on the stovetop. You can do multiple ones so your family can eat all at once. And you know, you're doing them individually on the stovetop, you're having to sit there and, you know, cook them, and then they're cold in between. This way they all come out of the oven the same time. Everyone can eat them all hot at the same time. Now I've sprayed a little bit of oil on top of these, and we're going to just, like I said, brush that on top. We already have it on the bottom because it's on the pan. But this method really does make the tortillas nice and crunchy. I mean, it's a very good taco. I'm not sure I'll ever pan fry them again. I'm just making 3 because it's just me. But you could have multiple pans. Now we're going to take some Monterey Jack cheese that I've shredded up, and we're going to put a nice mound on each of the tortillas in the center, because when it goes in the oven it's going to melt, and it's going to work as a binder to hold all of the shrimp mixture on top. So like I said, you're going to take a nice good mound of Monterey Jack. I guess you could use any cheese you like, but Monterey Jack turned out really well. So go ahead and do that. Now we're going to take our mixture, our shrimp mixture, with all of our, jalapeno and onions and the whole mixture we made. You're going to want to make sure and drain the juice. You don't want to put too much juice on there. So use a slotted spoon and get you a good amount that you want to put on there. Put it right on the top. And we're going to go ahead and get these ready for the oven. And we're going to go ahead and bake these at 450 on the lowest rack for 7 to 9 minutes, and then we'll be right back. Okay, now here's our finished shrimp tacos. Look how nice and crispy and golden they look. And you're going to want to fold these over while they're hot, because otherwise they will set up and become crispy. So you want to not wait too long after you get them out of the oven and go ahead and fold them over. Look how nice and golden brown and crispy they are. And all you had to do was wait in the oven. So this is a really easy dish. I want to thank you for watching my video, and I hope that you'll like and subscribe. I hope that you will try and make this because it's very easy, it's very good, and they were awesome. So thanks for watching my video, and you all have a nice day. Take care. For me, it's the weekend, so have a nice weekend. See ya. Bye-bye.